Good morning, grade 3. Our lesson today, application on multiplication and division parameter. How I can give the parameter of any shape. The first shape I have it square. Look at the square. It has 4 sides. The first one it's called the side, and the second one it's called the side, and this one is side, and this one is side. How many sides now in the square? I have 4 sides are equal. In the square I have 4 sides are equal. How I can get the parameter of any shape? Plus to each side. To get the parameter of this square now, parameter equal side plus side plus side plus side. Look at me now. I have the side is repeated 4 times. I have now the word is side. The side is repeated how many times? 4. It's meaning parameter of a square side times 4. My rule, parameter of a square side times 4. The next one, find the parameter of each square. I will put the rule now, parameter of a square side times 4. The first example, I have square now, each side equal 2 centimeter. How I can get the parameter? The rule said it, side times 4. The side now equal 2. Parameter equal 2 times 4 equal 8 centimeter. The next example, I have the square, each side equal 4 centimeter. Then the parameter, it will be 4 times 4 equal, yes right, 16 centimeter. The next example, parameter of a square side times 4. I have a square now, each side equal 3 meter. How I can get it the parameter? Take the number times 4. Take the side times 4. 3 times 4 equal, yes, 12. But the unit here each meter. The next one, 6 meter, 6 meter, 6 meter, 6 meter. I have the square, each side equal 6 meter. How I can get it the parameter? Parameter equal side times 4. 6 times 4 equal 24 meter. The next one, find the unknown side using parameter. If I have problem like that, I have a square now. The parameter of a square equal 32. I want the side. All of the parameters, the 4 sides now equal 32. How I can get it the one side? The side in the square equal parameter divided 4. To find each side length in the square, take the parameter divided 4. 32 divided 4 equal, excellent. It's meaning 4 times what give me 32? 4 times 8. 8 centimeter. It's meaning each side equal 8 centimeter. The next one, how I can find the missing side now? If I have the parameter, the side length equal parameter divided 4. If I want the side length equal parameter divided 4. The parameter equal 40. 40 divided 4 equal 10 meter. The next one, complete. The parameter of a square whose side length is 6 centimeter. How I can get it the parameter? If I want a parameter equal side times 4. It's meaning 6 times 4 equal 24. The next one, the parameter of a square whose side length is 5 meters. If I want a parameter of a square equal side times 4. 5 times 4 equal, right, excellent, equal 20. The next one, the side length of square whose parameter is 12 meters. Now I want a side length. The side length equal parameter divided 4. Parameter divided 4. It's meaning 12 divided 4 equal, excellent, equal 3. The next one, I have another shape. Now it's called rectangle. Look at the rectangle. The longest one, it's called length, and the opposite one, longest, it's called length. The shortest one, it's called width, and the opposite, it's called width again. In the rectangle, each two opposite sides are equal. I have now length and length, width and width. How I can get the parameter of rectangle now? I set it at the first, parameter of any shape plus to its side. How I can get the parameter of rectangle? Length plus length, width plus width. Yes, how many lengths now? 2 lengths plus 2 widths. I have 2 lengths and 2 widths. I will take the 2 common factor outside. Now, parameter equal 2 times length plus width. Now the rule equal 2 times length plus width. The next one, find the parameter of each rectangle. I will put the rule at first. Parameter of rectangle, length plus width all times 2. Length plus width all times 2. I have the first example. I have rectangle 3 and 3, 2 and 2. How I can get it the parameter? Parameter equal 3 plus 2 times 2. Take the two numbers plus, and the answer I will take it times. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 5 times 2 equal 10 centimeter because it's unit. The next one, 4 and 4, 2 and 2. How I can get it the parameter of rectangle? 4 plus 2 all times 2. 4 plus 2 equal 6. 6 times 2 equal, excellent, 12 centimeter. The next one, 5 and 3. I have now 2 missing sides. If the length is 5 centimeters, the opposite length it will be 5 centimeters. If the width is 3 centimeters, the opposite width is 3 centimeters. I can find the parameter now. Yes, length plus width all times 2. 5 plus 3 times 2. 5 plus 3 equal 8. 8 times 2 equal 16 centimeters. The first step is plus and the second step is times. The next one, I have another rectangle. The length is 7 and the width is 2. If the length is 7, the opposite length will be 7. If the width is 2, the opposite width again is 2. How I can find the parameter? Length plus width times 2. The first one is plus 7 plus 2 times 2. 7 plus 2 equal 9. 9 times 2 equal 18. centimeter. The next one. Find the unknown side using perimeter. How I can get the missing side now? If I have rectangle, I will take the perimeter at first, divide it 2. The first step to get the missing side, take the perimeter divided 2. It will be 18 divided 2 equal, excellent, 9. And take the answer minus the 6. 9 minus 6 equal 3. To get the missing side in rectangle, I have 2 steps. The first step is divided and the second step is minus. Again, the next one. Perimeter equal 14 centimeter. How I can get the length now? I will take the perimeter divided 2 at first. 14 divided 2 equal, yes, right, 7. And the second one, how I can get the length? It's 7 minus 2 equal, right, equal 5 centimeter. If I wanted the width and I wanted the length, the first step is divided. The second step, I will take the answer minus the other side. Divided minus. The next one. The first one. The perimeter of rectangle whose length is 5 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter. How I can get the perimeter of rectangle? Length plus width all times 2. 5 plus 3 times 2. 5 plus 3 equal 8. 8 times 2 equal 16. The next one. The perimeter of rectangle whose length is 6 centimeter and width is 4 centimeter. How I can get the perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle, length plus width all times 2. 6 plus 4 times 2. 6 plus 4 equal 10. 10 times 2 equal 20 centimeters. The next one. The width of the rectangle whose length is 5 centimeter and the perimeter is 16. How I can get the width? At the first, I will take the perimeter divided 2. 16 divided 2 equal 8. And take the answer minus with the other side. 8 minus 5 equal 3. The width, it will be 3. If I want the missing side in the rectangle, the first one divided and the second one is minus. The next one. Story problem. Ahmed is building a fence for his garden, which is shaped as a square. The side length of the garden is 8 meters. How many meters of the fencing will Ahmed need? Calculate the area of the garden. How I can get the area? If I want the area of a square, the rule it said to me area of a square side times side. What is the meaning of side times side? Look at the side is 8. It's meaning 8 times 8. If the side is 4, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, 6 times 6, 7 times 7. Now area of a square side times side. The side here equal 8. It will be 8 times 8 equal 64 square meter. The next one. Sandy built a fence for her garden which shaped like a square. She used 28 meters. What is the side length for Sandy's garden? Calculate the area of the garden. How I can get the area? Area equal side times side. Now I want the side. I have the side? No, I have the perimeter. How I can get the side from perimeter of a square? the side equal perimeter divided 4. Perimeter divided 4. The perimeter now is 28. 28 divided 4 equal, excellent, equal 7. Now the side length equal 7. The area of a square equal side times side. It's meaning 7 times 7 equal what, grade 3? Yes, right, excellent, equal 49 square meter. This is the unit. The next one. Hani is building a fence for his garden, which is shaped a rectangle. The length of the garden is 5 meters and the width of the garden is 2 meters. How many meters of fencing will Hani needed? If I wanna the fencing of Hani needed, I will get the perimeter of the rectangle. How I can get the perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle, length plus width all times 2. The length here is 5 and the width is 2. 5 plus 2 times 2. 5 plus 2 equal 7. 7 times 2 equal 14. 14 meters. Thanks for your time, grade 3.